Hey guys, this is Kamal with Quality Properties. I want to show you here the latest project we bought here. I'm gonna turn the camera around to see for you guys to see the home. That's project we just bought. So let me turn the camera this way. The roof is in good condition. I just want to show you what would you need to renovate for you to bring the most value for your home if you have the funds to repair your home. Okay, as you see here, we need new flooring. Very important to put flooring. The trend is always going to be the cheapest way, probably LVP flooring. It costs cheaper to install. New light fixtures. We need new light fixtures here. Here the electrical panel, I checked it. It has some cloth wiring. So for insurance purpose, we probably need to rewire the whole home. Ouch. Here, the kitchen needs some update with appliances. Probably paint the kitchen cabinets. Add some more kitchen cabinets up here. Granite countertop, change the counter to granite countertops. And it's the air conditioning it's in a good condition. It's a bedroom. It has one single panel windows that has to be changed to double panel for energy efficiency. And we might need to add another bathroom. This is a utility room. We probably add another bathroom here. Most of homeowners like to see two bathrooms when they want to buy a home. Plumbing is good. Probably a little bit landscaping outside. Bathroom update. We need to change the bathroom shower. The whole shower, we're gonna put tile, change the bathroom vanity, change the toilet, and change the doors. Replace all the doors, the hardware's on them, and that would be it. So, if you want to renovate the house to bring the most value, you want to make sure the whole house is updated, because anything that it's in a old condition or hasn't been updated since it was built, it's gonna reduce the value of the home, and you won't get as much money as you like. Again, this is Kamal with Quality Properties. If you have a home that needs a lot of repairs, give me a call. My direct number is 850-346-4995, or you can log into our website, qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com. We buy houses in as-is condition. You have to repair, clean, fix, update anything. We buy them in just as-is condition. So give me a call and I will talk to you. Thank you and have a good day.